Which one is for me then? Dad, I want this one.
Later,
I'm trying to get it now.
because you're too young to get it.
No, I'm getting it now. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch the phone.
Welcome back to yet another video on our channel. If you're new here, go ahead, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment down below. You can watch at the very end and then leave a comment. That's absolutely fine. Or you could just say hi. It truly means a lot. Right now I'm at the gym. It's snowing. It's like slush snow. But however, I made a commitment, so I'm here. Today our vlog is going to be a day in the life of how we spend our day, I guess. I don't know, we have something planned. My husband is like a spontaneous one. He will just pick up and we'll go somewhere. But I heard him last night saying we'll probably head to the mall. He want to get a new phone, so probably do a vlog on that. I also want to go ice skating today, but let's see how the weather sticks out. If it's really good, we'll go. I have to look for my skates. I'm pretty sure it's in the garage or the basement. So when I go home, that's going to be my goal too. Also, I'm going to be cooking something today. Maybe chicken curry, because that's been something I really want to, eat. Because for the holidays we didn't make any curry, which is weird. Guyanese household, there is always curry, so I'll probably make chicken curry and dal puri today, so do a little vlog on that too to show you guys as well. So yeah guys, spend this day with me. Let's head on into the gym. Have everything. Let's go. Getting ready to go to the mall. Yeah? Okay, who ready to get a phone today?
You know, you finally had Talimana, you bought it.
I did it. Who's gonna buy a phone? You want the phone? Huh? Okay. Let's go. No phone, Justin. They're on their way to the mall. You ever watch the thing named Final Destination? Huh? Just Justin and his Spider-Man. Where look for Justin? Where look for? Come. Let's take off your jacket. Who's gonna hold it? Who's gonna hold it? Who's gonna hold it? Really? Devin, you tell us not to take off your jacket? Not going? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, this is the one. I don't know.
Okay, how? Next one.
Maybe they move.
Yung ano yun lang, sir, may ako sila back, dark inside.
Oh, okay, Mama. Or let's go to the Apple store. Now we know iPhone? Huh? Dali ka na my phone. What happened?
Seniority yan.
So you can buy here and up it up?
What's that? Yep.
Do you like the phone? That out, Justin. Don't take that out. Leave that. No, not touching.
I have to create the account
Justin, no touching.
for them to approve it, right?
Right, Devin and Justin disappear from me. Where did they go?
Yeah, when you go into the thing,
Pokemon. Furu, let's go. They still want a Mexican curry too, right? Oh, come here to buy food. You want chicken curry? Wow, this red dress is so pretty. Oh shoes! Oh shoes! You have enough of this already. Come, let's go now. We're gonna find another store. I wanna look at games. Where did Dado gone? He disappeared. Really? Wow. Hello.
Oh, come here, hey, look at the side. Why don't you pick the side?
Check, take one with the name, letter. Like two though.
Lightning McQueen.
Take one of this. Look, Blue Jays. Blue Jays.
Come. What's the price of this?
if you trickle under the sticker, it'll
Oh,
tell
sorry.
you. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah. Nice pickup tree. Okay, we are Salidari.
I'm gonna send you.
And me, boy. So you get something. Oscar. Really? Buy one, get one 50% off. No, buy the glass, the Meta glass. What? What's that? Balloons?
Wait, you belly full or no? You belly full? Huh? You still want food?
Where you want to eat? Where you want to eat? Oh, you already talked to your dad?
Yeah.
Devin, what you say you want?
Huh?
I don't know what you want.
I told you I want McDonald's.
Oh, McDonald's line up too long.
Yeah, what kind of thing? You get KFC. You want KFC?
No, you don't want to.
No.
You want broccoli?
No.
Jambar ba naman? Alright. Jambar ba yun? Yung si jambar ba?
No, I want broccoli.
Ha? Kaya want siya ba?
Hey, so this tastes good.
Ha?
Hey, so this tastes good. What you want?
Mom, push me in.
Tuck you in? What do you want? So we didn't get bourbon because we always get bourbon every time we come to the mall. So I was craving Popeyes. So we're gonna go get Popeyes. I think Devin already ordered. You checking your order? What did you order?
You got a lot of food to make.
You dance. Material. Why did you do that?
Why should I not hear it? Why can I not hear it?
Justin think he's dressed for summer. You dressed for summer?
Why can I not break it?
They have Guyanese blood in him.
Why couldn't he not break it?
Why do you want to break it? No, material. Why did you do that?
Why should I not hear it? Why can I not hear it?
Justin think he's dressed for summer. You dressed for summer?
Why can I not break it?
They have Guyanese blood in him.
Why couldn't he not break it?
Why do you want to break it? No? What you doing? Justin. Jordans. Justin. We're gonna buy more toys. What you fight for? So we're home and we're gonna be making some chicken curry now. My chicken is tall, but I need to cut it out. Now Devin has to clean the now. I have to do this on my own. Okay. Yeah.
Breadcrumbs fry like
Yeah.
for them.
Yeah. Pepper shrimp. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. What happened? You not working? How you not working? Okay. I know.